Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey. Lesson 3. Introduction to alismu. Congratulations for completing lesson 1 and 2. Domir and Harfu Jar. Alismu is also known as nouns. Alismu is preferably pronounced by the Arabs as ishim, so let's use the word ishim for easier purpose and pronunciation. Let's start. In ishim, you'll learn ishim nakiro, ishim makrifo, ishim muzakkar, ishim munas, mufrad, muzanna, jaman. We will explain ishim in details. Keep updated for next lesson 3.1. To support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. Aluga. See you again.